Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and greetings, dear ladies and gentlemen. Thank you to those present, especially to the chairman of the council who give me the opportunity and space to introduce our company's new product. Today, I would like to introduce the launch of the new model of the latest model mobile phone, the Samsung Galaxy J7 Emerge 3D. First I introduce myself. I Rashidi Ismail as a marketing officer representing the telecommunication company, Future Communication. Okay, for the information of ladies and gentlemen, for the model has penetrated the Malaysian market and received encouraging demand. You can get more information on Samsung, our website, the company's website, www.futurescommunication.com, Facebook, and so on. So, and then, ladies and gentlemen, before they will first look at the model release from 2050-2070 type of Samsung Galaxy J7 model. Okay, this one model release 2050 and 2070 type of Samsung Galaxy J7. Okay, this one camera. Okay, and version J7 models 2060 network technology GSM HSPA LTE. Okay, display type size resolution Super AMOLED capacity touchscreen 60M colors 545 inches 8045 cm 72.5% screen to body ratio. Okay, 720 pixel 60.6 ratio. Okay, this memory card slot internal micro SD XC dedicated slot 60 GB 2 GB RAM eMMC 5.1. Okay, main camera single feature videos. Okay, 30 MP 28 nm wide AF leafless panorama HDR 1080p at realistic 30 fps. Okay, single camera feature video 5 MP LED flash and and the new models, latest model Samsung Galaxy J7 Emerge 3D. This one. Okay, this one camera. Okay, the latest model Samsung Galaxy J7 Emerge 3D, very nice. Okay, camera. Okay. Okay. Here's another look at the Samsung Galaxy J7. This time without a case. The case concealed and interesting design element on the back. The decorative line that hosts the camera and the LED flash. similar to the Galaxy J3 MS. Okay, this was included in the speculative 3D render we saw at the end of last year. This particular image is of version of the phone which will go under the name Galaxy J7V model numbers SMJ 727. The same phone will be available on MVNO carrier. Okay, trace phone where it will be sell J7 Sky Pro. Okay. Okay, ROM rate space of the Samsung Galaxy J7 include Android Note running on a Snapdragon 625 chipset with 2 GB of RAM. The screen should be 5.5 Super AMOLED of 720p resolution and fairly an impressive camera setup. 8MP main and 5MP selfie. That's what the effect reads detected anyway. Okay. And of course, you will be excited about this new model. Among the advantage over the old model is Samsung Galaxy J7 MS 3D. Okay, feature 5.5 display has 30MP back camera, 5MP front camera, and 3000 mAh battery capacity. Okay, last price on the market Samsung Galaxy J7 MS 3D model is RM1056 and 59 plus tax with various additional feature. This model are available apart from being displayed in company advertisement. Okay, customer and continue to come to our business center at Kedai Nombor 6 Plaza Melaka Raya. Okay. Anything else? Okay. Okay. Finally, what I want to say here to the sensei's, the opportunity of the offer while stock last and enjoy. Okay, various advantage and satisfaction with the new model. Once again, thank you to those present. Thank you for all. Thank you very much. Okay, camera. Next camera. Okay. 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 Okay, thank you very much for all. Any question for all? Any question? So okay. Thank you very much for all. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. you very much. Thank you.